In today's video, I will be revealing the first winner of the Starpower miner from the giveaway. I will also talk about another giveaway where more people have the chance to win a free miner. Also, I will provide a couple of updates about the project, so let's jump straight into it. As you guys know, in my previous video, I did a giveaway on the Starpower miner. And before we get any further, let's announce the winner. Let's go over to the random comment picker so we can choose the winner for this miner. And at the end of this video, I will show you how you can have an opportunity to win one for free as well. All right, so now we are on the website that picks random comments. We are going to paste the link to the video. This will pretty much get all the comments. This was the video. As you can see, it only got 308 views, 18 comments. So that means you have a 1 out of 18 chance to win a free miner. Those are definitely good odds. All right, so now we are going to scroll down. We're going to answer 2 plus 4 is 6. Then we're going to go down, press this. All right, let's see how we want. All right. So here it is. Let's see, Star Raffle pick winner. All right, so these are all the usernames of the people that left comment. And now we are going to press this button and it will pick a random winner. Let's quickly, let me see if I'm pressing the right thing. Oh, gotta press the center. All right, let's see. And the winner is Dana. Oh my. Let's scroll down. All right, so this is the winner and their comment was nice project. I will be replying to your comment. That way we can get in touch. So this miner will be shipped out to you as soon as possible. So there you have it. That is the first winner of the giveaway. I will be giving 4 more away. Stay tuned for the end of this video, but let me quickly give you some updates on the project. All right, so now we are on their Twitter page, and one quick little update that I want to share with everyone is that they have their first user in Iceland. Iceland leads the world in renewable energy adoption, not due to wind or solar, but thanks to its abundant geothermal resources. And earlier this month, Starpower has reached 14,000 StarPlug activated devices that are on chain. So that means there's 14,000 of these plugs all across the world. The more of these plugs you have, the more money you can potentially earn. So if you want to purchase one of these and add it to your collection, the link will be in the description box below. Also, if you use the discount code millionaire, you'll be able to save an additional $10 off your purchase. So make sure you check it out. I already have 3 of these, but I will definitely be purchasing more. 14,000 might seem like a huge number, but keep in mind, there might be a ton of people that have 5, 6 of these plugged up in their house. So the user amount of people that actually have these is much smaller than 14,000, meaning that we are still super early in this project. As you guys know, when it comes to crypto miners, DePin, when it comes to pretty much any project, the earlier you get in, the better. The opportunity for you to make life-changing money increases much higher than waiting a year, 6 months later to get into a project. You want to be in as soon as possible. Also, I quickly want to touch upon the token allocation for the STAR token. As you can see, a lot of the supply is for the builders. The builders are people like you and me, people that have these devices plugged up in their house. Also, 15% is going towards the team, another 15% towards investors, 7% for the foundation, 5% for donation and other action, and 3% for the airdrop. Also, there will be a total of 1 billion STAR tokens. And now let's go inside of the app so I can show you exactly how many tokens that I have accumulated over the last week or so. As you guys know, I have 3 devices plugged in, pretty much all in random places. I got one plugged into my refrigerator, one in my washing machine, and one in my upstairs living room that is plugged into the TV. So I'm trying to monitor which device wastes more electricity and all of that stuff. So I'm definitely experimenting, but I want to have enough where I'll be able to monitor every single plug in the house. So over the last week or so, I have been able to accumulate over 270 STAR tokens. As of right now, we do not have a chart. We do not have a token that is released. So we do not know how valuable these tokens are as of right now. Hopefully in Q4 of this year, by the end of the year, they're going to release the token and we will know exactly how much these miners are earning. So as of right now, I'm simply accumulating these tokens in the hopes that once the token launches, I will be able to cash out. Also, I am earning 5 Nova every 6 hours. So that means once or twice a day, I go into the app and I claim 5 Nova. I'm not sure how that will convert into Star tokens or how it will convert into cash or some other thing. But all I'm doing right now is stacking up as much as I possibly can. One other thing that I want to mention, this is just the beginning. This project is still very new. And the StarPlugs are just the beginning. They're going to be releasing thermostats. They're going to be releasing chargers for vehicles. They're going to be releasing big old EV batteries to store energy and a lot more things in the future. Right now, the project is still in the early stages, but I believe they have picked a very good niche. Electricity will become extremely expensive in the future, and companies that are able to monitor it, that are able to lower the usage, that are able to control the infrastructure are going to make a ton of money. And hopefully us, the people that got these miners, will be able to cash in as well. As you guys know, artificial intelligence is here, and over the next 5-10 years, it will grow much bigger. One of the biggest things that are slowing down AI is energy. A lot of these AI models require a ton of energy. I'm talking about a nuclear reactor amount of energy. So having a way to control energy, having a way to minimize how much energy is used is great in my opinion. Just imagine when Starpower releases their battery or their car charger and you are able to monitor when electricity is the cheapest. For example, in a certain city, electricity is cheap after 9 p.m. or early in the morning. So having a device that can charge your car or your battery at home at those hours where energy is the cheapest will lower your monthly bill. So I'm super excited for these new smart devices to start launching. And now let's talk about how you can win one of these free miners. It is super simple. All you have to do is smash the like button on this video. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment in the comment section below. As you guys know, in the last video, we only had 18 comments, 1 out of 18 chances. So in this one, I'll be picking 4 winners. That means your odds of winning are much, much higher. So definitely drop a comment, drop 2, who cares? And maybe in a week or so, I will be making another video just like this one, giving you guys a quick update and picking the 4 winners. This is your opportunity to grab one of these for free. And if you want to stack up, if you want to get 4 or 5 of these, the link will be in the description box below. Make sure to use the discount code TheMillionaire to get an additional $10 off of your miner. So drop those comments, subscribe, like. See you in the next video. Peace out.